I remember sitting on my bedroom floor, unable to see a future. The life I was so sure I would have just vanished after a trauma I never saw coming. The world felt muted, like I was watching my life happen to someone else from behind a thick pane of glass. What I didn't know then is that psychologists call what was about to happen post-traumatic growth. It's not about bouncing back. It's about transforming into someone stronger. Today, I want to share the 5 stages of that process that personally guided me from that floor to a place of purpose. Hi, I'm Elena from Fearless Wolf Life Coaching, and if you've ever felt stuck in the desert, waiting for breakthrough, this is for you. A new appreciation for life. The first shift was a new, profound appreciation for being alive. It wasn't a big moment, but quiet ones, like truly tasting my coffee for the first time in months or feeling the sun on my face. My old worries and priorities melted away. The simple fact that I was still here became everything. Deeper relationships with others. Next, my relationships changed. Trauma is a filter. I no longer had the energy for surface-level connections. While some friendships faded, the ones that remained became incredibly deep and authentic. I learned to be vulnerable and in return received a level of connection forged in honest truth. If any of this is resonating with you, please take a second to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me know that sharing these vulnerable stories is worthwhile. A new sense of personal strength. I was surprised to find a personal strength I never knew I had. I used to think strength meant being unbreakable, but I had broken completely. I learned that real strength isn't about never breaking. It's the courage to look at the wreckage and decide to rebuild. Surviving what I thought would destroy me built a quiet confidence inside me. Seeing new possibilities. Then, what started as terrifying slowly became freeing. My life plan was gone. At first, it felt like being lost, but I soon realized that without a map, I was free. I could finally ask myself, what do I truly want? This opened doors to new passions and a life that felt more aligned with who I really am. Section 5. Spiritual and existential change. The final stage was a deep spiritual and existential shift. It wasn't about religion for me, but about questioning everything to find a new way to make sense of the world. I wrestled with the big questions of meaning and suffering, and out of that struggle came a new sense of purpose, a belief that my pain could be transformed.
Hey, if something in this video really spoke to you, don't just scroll past it. Click on one of these next videos and stay in the flow. And if you're feeling that fearless wolf energy, bold, grounded, unshakable, hit subscribe. We're building something powerful here with Fearless Wolf Life Coaching, and you're part of it. Drop a comment. I'd love to hear how this landed for you. Your story's just getting started, and it's becoming legendary.